How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix the Samsung washer 9C8 error code. Now, to simply explain, basically it indicates a voltage power supply irregularity, a motor communication fault, or a pressure sensor issue. So you want to start with by hard resetting the actual washer. This is extremely simple. Just unplug the washer from the wall outlet, or you could flip the circuit breaker off for around 5 to 10 minutes, and from there you could just simply turn it on to see if it fixes it. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to check for the actual drain hose. Ensure that the hose is not kinked, crushed, or clogged with debris, and you could also try to clean the pump filter. So you could go ahead and locate the filter access panel. It's usually on the bottom front of the machine, and from there you could just make sure that it is clean. And as a side note, you want to avoid extension cords. You can also try updating the firmware if your Samsung model supports it. And if none of this help you fix your problem, you then want to contact a Samsung expert. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.